would you like to go to a reality show?
Only if it's Big Boss. And I like Rakhi Sawant. And she's always in Big Boss.
And now you follow each other.
Oh yeah, she followed me recently, which is fun.
What's your favorite food in India?
Bengan ka barta with some rotis.
I eat a lot of chicken, but घर पे if I'm like I want to have ऐसा कुछ मस्त घर का खाना types, so I prefer having aloo की सब्जी, the boiled one with amti. Amti is a very Maharashtrian dal.
Dal chawal is like the soul food, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
When did you decide to bring Cairo home?
So my dad didn't know I was getting the dog home.
Oh.
My mom knew, and she approved it only because she said कि she'll name the dog.
You released a song of your own.
Yeah, it's a song about Vada Pav and Mumbai, and it's just I wrote it as a tribute to the city.
And the city didn't hear him.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sarcastic Show, hydrated by the Better Beings. Today we have Ansh Dhote and Ved Madison with us. Introduce yourself, guys.
मेरा नाम वेद मैडिसन है.
Okay.
मैं एक content creator हूँ. I make Hindi and other regional language comedy videos. उसके अलावा I do some acting.
Ansh Dhote, social media influencer,
Content creator.
Content creator.
content creator.
The content
difference क्या है
creator.
influencer और content creator में?
So if I think about it, no, basically, see, influencer, in the name, you influence people to do things.
Yeah.
And our job is mostly making people laugh,
Okay.
which feels more like, I don't like the word content. I'd like to say YouTuber, but I don't do YouTube. So Instagrammer is not a word also. So content creators, we make content. We make comedy stuff. Influence is like, oh, you should drink this from the better things, beings.
ये zoom करना जरा सा एक बार.
Oh, you should buy this cream. That's influencing people. We do that कभी कभी जब brand deal मिलते हैं. But usually we are content creators.
You stay here या फिर?
In Goa, my parents moved to
पेट
Goa.
दिख रहा है.
पेट बाहर आ रहे
अरे यार
हैं.
व्यू था मेरा.
No, my parents, ये कहानी I said on your podcast. I say it every time. But हाँ, my dad is English, mummy is Indian. They met एक dinner party Warsaw में 1993 and they got married 1996. I was born in England 2001 और जब मैं 3 साल था, we shifted to Goa and I've lived in Goa for 21 years.
So was that a environment shift अचानक से or like chill था?
Chill. My dad is the OG remote worker. So before Zoom and all that, he can work from anywhere. So him and my mummy decided, let's move to India and go like soft launch hai. It's more cosmopolitan, more less intense. So yeah, we moved to Goa and it's
Do you
home.
prefer Goa or do you prefer like Mumbai better है यार उसी से तो?
That's one thing also. In youth, Mumbai is exciting. I've been here now this trip for 1 month. I'm overdoing it. I like to meet all the creators, meet all my friends, stay up every night. I wish I was making more videos. But actually, I'll be honest, I love Mumbai. It's my favorite city. But मैं East Mumbai को इतना explore नहीं किया.
Any specific reasons why?
Historically, ithihasically, Western Mumbai was always where all the wealth was. And that's why everyone likes Bandra, Malabahir and all. Eastern was the more industrial part. That's why we have Trombay and all the industrial parts.
वो इंग्लिश का राज था ना यहाँ पे.
So there's not much
इसका ही रास्ता.
there's not much pull. मतलब East Mumbai में where would I go? I don't know. Chembur is supposed to. Thane गया पहला बार पिछले हफ्ते. I went to Thane for the first time.
How was Thane?
It's not bad. I mean, I know memes and all. Like, of course,
Did you go by train?
Train से गया, हाँ, of course. I went.
One of the things, I'm sorry I'm cutting in between. One of the things you said before the podcast is that you prefer trains than
Yes.
cabs here. Why?
Yes. I like trains because they're the lifeline of the city. For me, train is fun. I'm going opposite rush hour. I still go second class. I like to save money, even though it's 10 rupees versus 50 rupees.
Without
Yeah.
ticket.
No, I always buy ticket. I can show my UTS history. Mumbai 1. I can show my Mumbai 1
Rail
history.
one.
No, Mumbai 1.
It's a rail one.
Achha, I use Mumbai 1 because you can use everything. You can buy metro tickets, monorail tickets. Mumbai 1
Rail
is...
one also you can use.
ठीक है, well, I like Mumbai 1. Of course, if you're going somewhere it doesn't have a good rail connection and then आपका last mile connectivity, you have to take auto या taxi या rapido, then it discourages me from the train. But if I was going to like the Habitat, which is right near Khar station, I'd take the train from Churchgate to Khar and get off. I'd even take a slow train, even though it takes slightly longer, rather than wait in the whole traffic, come off until the C-Link is good. Come off in Reclamation, get stuck in traffic, yeah, SV Road, wo junction, itna, and go up SV Road and all. It's a no-brainer, and I know
Hectic.
it's hectic. And I have lots of friends who have grown up quite privileged, and the train is cheap for them. But I don't mind. I know in the summer you get sweaty. So, for example, I came here in a car because I didn't
Yeah.
want to be sweaty on camera. I'll go back by train to save money.
Still, but you haven't been like जो एकदम भीड़ वाली जगह होती है उसमें ट्रेन में. Delhi
Bheed
to
also,
Rashas.
because I'm very tall, I get lucky. मैं भीड़ का ऊपर हूँ. One of my favorite feelings, even when I was 17, when I first came to Mumbai, Andheri station का bridge,
Yeah.
the sea of people, 8 बजे रात को, and I'm above them. Just
Oh yeah, you must be seeing only the heads.
the
right?
heads of India. I've seen the heads of India.
Have you ever gotten humped in a train?
Humped in a train? No. Very lucky it hasn't happened.
Never?
No, I've not been humped.
So right now you just came up with an idea. Okay, like you will just make a content about traveling in Virar. So how did you start content creation? ऐसा होता था कि you just have these ideas and you just wanted to put it out.
So how did I start content? Oh, wow, what a question. No, basically, I came to Mumbai first time when I was 17 to work in film casting. Fell in love with Mumbai and Hindi film industry. I came and joined and worked in casting, but I also wanted to be Gora character actor.
Yeah.
Went abroad for college, came back, and I wanted to try being an actor. I got thoda TVCs, Make My Trip World Cup campaign, Mountain
Oh.
Dew Punjab,
Oh.
Ping Safe. It's just another company. And then
सबके नाम काट रहे हैं.
and then in the last month in Mumbai, I had a public Instagram with a tick because I wanted to reach casting directors
Yeah.
and I want Anurag Kashyap to see when I like his post. Like, so my name pops. So I met him actually. That was a cool thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
But I just put a reel for fun and it got 80k views.
Oh.
When you hit that first 1000 likes,
Yeah, so
dopamine
वो
आते
थोड़ा
हैं. I'm
वो
sure
लगता
you remember when you had long hair back in the day, your first
Hmm.
1000 likes.
Yeah, actually I've also seen your pictures that you had long hair. That was the reason you.
When I
I
first
was just
met
trying
him,
it out.
Yeah.
It looked very chapri.
But you had long hair for a very long
Yeah.
time.
Why do you have to?
I had.
That's a bad word. We shouldn't use casteist slurs. Like,
Arey yaar, I say something, you start explaining what it means.
anyways, no. So then I posted a reel. It did well. I posted 2, 3, 4 more reels, and my 4th reel got 20 million views and my first 25k followers. So I was like, this is fun.
What was the reel about?
I'm lying in bed and I was just protesting. मैं भारत से हूँ. मैं कितना बार बोलना चाहिए मैं भारत से हूँ. And I got very lucky that big blow up reel wasn't like a relatable sketch या कुछ shareable meme content. It was very personality based. So
Yeah.
people were curious, so they pressed
Yeah.
follow. And then I was lucky. I started building an audience, and I went from 2k to 220,000
Yeah.
in 8 months.
Damn.
And since then, it's been growth.
Took me 4 years.
How do you feel अंश भाई कि आपको 4 साल लगे हैं वेद भाई in just 8 months?
चलेगा सही है.
Ansh, how did you start then?
Everyone has
भाई
their
मैं वही
journey.
क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला था अभी.
How
How did
did
you
I start?
Yeah.
I was just making content with Kataria. It was a public video.
Kataria.
First I was doing photography, then I started with Kataria.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
So and then I just make videos at home, and then my mom wala IP picked up a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
How did it come to you? Like कि mom के
it
साथ
just
होना चाहिए, my mom
happened. I posted a random video with my mom. I don't even remember what it was. It was a random selfie video, and it blew up. And then my Met Gala series blew up.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah,
remember.
so then
What
Rakhi
are, what are the type of content that you people are known for? If I genuinely want to ask you guys, what is the type of content that you actually focus on or you would like to make?
I don't focus on content. I just post whatever I like, honestly.
I love your mom, by the way.
Yeah,
I love
we
her.
love
She's a great
auntie.
person.
She's very
Shout out
sweet, yeah.
auntie.
Shout out to
auntie.
auntie. Yes.
We
And Cairo.
And Cairo.
Cairo. Yeah.
And
And
Sakshi
Didi.
Didi. Haan.
Yeah.
When did you decide to bring Cairo home?
So my dad didn't know I was getting the dog home.
Oh.
My mom knew.
No, I don't know
And
that.
she approved it only because she said ki she'll name the dog.
Mhm.
Like my mom is used to having dogs like in her house.
Okay.
And our house is pretty like Mumbai houses are small for dogs. Like you can't like marble flooring, small houses, they need a garden.
Right.
So my mom and dad love dogs, but they were like, don't get it. It's gonna trouble the dog. But then I just got one.
So your dad was against having a dog.
He did not know only.
Acha.
Once the dog is in the house, he's not going to kick it out.
Acha. Okay. So you just surprised him.
Yeah.
Who named it Cairo?
Mom. Mom and Didi, I think it
What
was.
does
a-
it mean?
I have no idea.
I think
कुछ
Cairo
तो
means
समझ
ice in some language.
Ice.
Yeah.
Which language?
I don't know. मैंने Genshin Impact खेला था उसमें Cairo meant ice. Yeah.
And Cairo sounds like a Karan Aujla's that.
You can't say that.
Joking.
इसको काट के मैं
can't
बोलूंगा the
drink
better
such
wings
drinks.
उसको
Please
चिपकाएंगे हम
understand.
लोग.
Yeah.
I know you're saying how do Ansh feel 4 years. I have to give it to Ansh. Ansh has done it much better. So numbers are not everything, especially followers. And brands look at engagement and fan base.
Right.
And Ansh has got a dedicated Maharashtrian fan base that love everything he does.
That's true. That's
when he
true.
walks his dog, 100 people take selfies with him.
That's very true.
Genuinely.
So I'd rather have what Ansh has than because I've very fragmented my audience because I have Assamese audience, Bengali audience, Marathi audience, Gujarati audience. Actually, no, I made one Gujarati video. Gujarati audience is coming, and it's very fragmented. So I can't build a shared unity. Also, I don't know. I'll do more. I'm moving to Mumbai in July. I'll go all out on content creation. I'll try to do
Oh.
something.
Yeah.
So you stay in Goa right now, BS.
I'll stay in Goa, but trying to move back to the big city.
Nice,
Sapne ka
nice.
sheher.
You know, actually, you both have a very strong face. What should I call it?
Card.
Face value.
Face actually.
Face value and face
yeah.
card both.
Guys.
If I'm watching reels and there's a guy creating funny content with his mom, I know it's Ansh Dhote. है ना? If there is a Gora guy talking in Hindi and you know overall stuff.
One of them
I know
actually
it's-
left content. That's why it's him now.
What?
I'm sorry.
No, I'm
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I'm-
We love Drew. Drew, please come
छन
back
से
on
जो
Instagram.
टूटे कोई.
No, my agency I'm with has all the Desi creators. And the number one creator, he has kids, he lives in Thailand and all. So there is a chance for me to step up and become the number one Gora Hindi content creator.
Woo!
But मैं बहुत आलसी हूँ.
You should learn Bhojpuri actually.
I have been told that I should.
You were in a reality show.
I did a reality show,
What's the name?
Tribeverse on Geo Hotstar.
Watch
All episodes out
number
now.
7, na?
Episode 1 to 7 and 8 are my highlights. No, I did a reality show. The main reason I wanted to do it is I wanted to go to Nagaland, where my nani is from. And it was an experience. 1 week, no phone, new people. They all had bigger muscles than me.
Yeah.
And of course, there's physical tasks, so I was intimidated.
Yeah.
But I'm proud to say I had 0 fights, so that's
Oh.
bad for the camera. No drama, no shouting. I injured myself permanently, got a nice scar from cutting myself open with a knife, and made memories for life. No,
How
it
was the experience of not having your phone with you for 5 days? Did you feel
It's
like
cool.
missing
No
out?
phone, no clock, no phones, no clocks. Living in a field in rural Nagaland, cooking our own food when we had to, and then being taken to other sets for like challenges and stuff. It was quite an experience, and it was very meta for me. Even though I'm in the show, like
Yeah.
right now I'm in the podcast. Kabhi I felt like a viewer, like I was just watching them fight. I didn't say anything, and like, my friends like, "Oh, say something." I was like, so it was like watching the show in 4DX. Like right now I'm watching the podcast.
Nice.
Shravan. So yeah, it was quite an experience. So I zoned out on camera, on set, at my job.
You just wanted to enjoy it.
I was enjoying it.
Yeah.
I didn't want to fight with anyone. I knew I wasn't going to win. I just wanted a good placement. I say it in the show. I wanted to be 8th place because that's my birthday, my number.
Oh.
And I came 9th. So.
Nice, yeah. Ansh bhai, would you like to go to a reality show or something?
Only if it's Big Boss.
You watch Big Boss a lot. You are interested in it.
I used to.
Acha, now you don't.
I do. अभी तो चालू ही नहीं है तो क्या देखूं?
हाँ. What do you like about Big Boss? उतना ज़्यादा.
Yeah.
It's entertaining. And I like Rakhi Sawant. And she's always in Big Boss.
How did you
Yeah,
met
I've
Rakhi
seen your
Sawant?
pinned posts.
Yeah. I met her. It was planned. It was a video idea we had.
Flying
and then we
Height
shot.
Institute,
Yeah,
Nagpur.
Fly High Institute. Then we shot a video there. And then, yeah, and this we just started speaking thoda sa.
And now you follow each other.
Oh yeah, she followed me recently, which is fun.
Wait, Rakhi Sawant follows you.
Yeah,
Congratulations. Do you feel like it's an achievement?
big achievement.
Big achievement for you.
Yeah.
Is that a romantic interest or
No, she's just entertaining.
Talking about romantic interest, what exactly are you and Devika?
What am I?
You and Devika.
Me and Devika, we are just friends.
Are you sure?
Just friends.
Are you sure?
Just friends.
Because every time I see a reel of yours, it's kind of, upfront ki, oh,
We're just friends.
4 baar bola now. Host, please.
As I, warned you guys in the start, you can just ignore him once whenever you feel like. So,
Ignore him.
ignore him.
Oh,
Don't ignore
same.
me, Yash.
We should do the podcast.
Don't ignore me. When are we collabing on a reel? He's my first creator friend. We had the
And we've
same
never
agency and
collabed yet.
manager.
Yeah.
And it's been a running joke for 2 years that he'll never collab with me. We did one for Republic Day.
And then we deleted it.
You deleted it?
Yeah, of course.
Why?
Because it had you in it.
I didn't even notice.
But why? What's the reason? Why do
No
you?
reason. It's just become a thing now.
Pehla it was because,
It's just because of-
sometimes my account reach was down and we joked my account is like a cancer. So when someone collabs with me, their reach goes down. But that's not the case anymore. So
It's true.
I'm available. I'm in Mumbai for 3 more days. I know where you live. So if you want to...
धमकी आ रही है कि he knows where you live.
When I come to Mumbai, I try to do as many collabs as possible with all kinds of creators.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good to see that you're having the best collab of your.
Exactly.
exactly.
On a Sunday, I've traveled 1 hour 4 minutes.
Exactly. Nobody would ever do that.
Free
so-
of cost.
To have
Welcome back.
the better beings.
That is true.
Did you like it actually?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
It has 1200 mgs of electrolytes.
Have more, you can have more.
Wow.
We'll get more of.
No, but no joke. I actually liked it. It is good. Good packaging and good product. I do need to be more hydrated.
What's your favorite food
Oh.
in India?
Oh wow.
And then I want to know your food also. Like, what's your favorite food?
It's hard to pick one if you ate the same
Yeah.
thing again and again. Like right now, because we're in a veg place, I'm thinking Bengan ki barta. Bengan
Bengan
barta.
You like bangan ka bharta?
Bengan ka barta. Sorry, is Bengan a ka shabd ya ki shabd? Is Bengan masculine or feminine?
Bangan, I think it's
Masculine, bhai. Haven't you
Bengan
seen the
ka bharta.
emoji?
Bangan ka bharta.
Bengan ka barta with some rotis.
Nice, yaar.
But other
Even
veg
I like
stuff?
bangan ka bharta.
Bhindi. I love bhindi. Best vegetable.
Bhai, it's same. Literally same.
I don't like the slander against
You
veg
don't like
food.
aloo?
Aloo.
I also don't like
I like
aloo.
fried aloo, but when like an Indian like sabzi with just boiled aloo, it's
Boiled
just too,
aloo, it's
you're already
too-
eating aloo with the roti. As we already have a protein crisis in this country, so
Yeah.
we need more. You go to the gym, na?
Yeah.
Mr. Bodekar.
Ansh bhai has recently started going to the gym. How's the
Yes.
experience? How's everything going?
Amazing.
Amazing.
I gained like 7 kgs in 1 month, which is crazy.
Oh, wow.
Gained?
Are you
Yeah.
consistent?
Muscle.
Yeah.
Oh,
Show.
Sure. Oh my god. Oh shit. Muscle preview.
Non-veg खाना पड़ता है उसको.
Oh.
I eat everything. No, I don't eat everything. I've had गलती से.
भूल गया घर पे बैठा है.
Honestly,
Damage control कर रहा है बंदा.
No, if you ever need tips, you tell me.
I'll put in some good vegan propaganda. Seitan, tofu, and tempeh.
But आपको ये सब सिखाया किसने? छन से जो टूटे.
अब unusable है.
मैं क्यों डर रहा हूँ? मेरा थोड़ा कुछ आ रहा है. ऐसा कर रहा है. So yeah, और कुछ नहीं. मतलब ऐसा. Do you sometimes feel that you're very tall in India? ऐसा लगता है?
Do I sometimes feel I'm very tall in India?
Sometimes तो नहीं feel होता होगा. I mean.
I need some time to think. Huh.
Wait. Is that the reason that your first friend was Ansh Dode, because Ansh is also very tall?
No,
No,
because
we had the same
Because I
manager.
went alone to All You Can Street or All You Can 2024,
Oh.
and my manager said, "Meet this guy. He's nice. You should make a video together. You should make a video together." She said. Yeah, but I met him.
Yeah.
And then I met like Divya Fafani, Aryan Kataria.
I was there too.
Aryan
You were
Kataria
there?
follows
Yeah.
us.
When you were
The
16.
sarcastic show. Even you do. I mean, yeah.
I was
everyone
17.
does.
I think.
He doesn't
It's the
follow
best.
you.
You don't follow us. The
I
sarcastic.
just met you. It takes time to get.
Just kidding. So
It's okay.
But when we post clips, post it from his account because that's the best reach, and then we all accept it. That's one thing. I know everyone wants to
We
own
won't
their
tell him
content,
that you
but
are also accepting the
for
collab.
the algorithm, always post the reel from the account that's doing best and everyone else accept.
yeah.
For example, if a brand posts your brand reel,
Yeah. Never
their
does.
reach is awful and you accept it, the reel will end up with 600 likes in half a day, which is very bad.
Ours is anyway.
So
is that
always
only.
post for, but we're hoping for virality, no? And that's why I'm saying, let him post the clip and we'll all accept. That way we can ride off of his reach.
Ansh Dhote
That's
is
how
the
Instagram
best
works.
Instagram influencer
Ansh
ever.
Dhote is one of the best
Yeah,
Instagram
he's the best, you know,
influencers.
Ansh Dhote social media
He's got-
I love you,
influencers.
Ansh Dhote,
Ansh has
Instagram
got great
influencer.
style. He's got a good
Yeah,
family.
what a
he's
face
funny.
card, man. He has
He's got,
started-
he's got really good facial hair and the nose piercing. It's a very good look.
Exactly.
Bro can do
And the
anything
7
for collab.
kgs of muscle he has gained.
Oh my fucking god.
Nine.
Yeah, that's
9
so,
kgs.
Yeah.
Nah,
Seven.
Seven.
Sorry.
Ansh,
I was
I tell you,
distracted.
You're saying 7, but it looks like it's 9.
The piercings and the
that good.
tattoos.
Yeah.
How many tattoos do you have?
47. Oh no, 48. I just
Wait,
recently
actually?
got. Yeah. 49. I
are there
got two.
stories related to your time?
No, not.
Tell us all 49.
Podcast खत्म.
कहाँ पे है? कहाँ
What
पे?
is 49?
हाथ पे ही है सारे तो.
Yeah, I've seen you making random tattoos. Like there's
Yeah.
one vada pav also there, one misal
You have
pav
a
there.
vada
Yeah.
pav?
No.
He has a
Mr.
missile
Pav
pav.
written.
Mr. But you should listen to the song Ved
Yeah,
Vada
I
Pav
just knew it. He's going to integrate
by
a song.
Ved Madison.
You've released a song of your own.
Yeah.
On
Can you
Spotify.
like sing thoda sa and tell me? I haven't.
You want me to sing it for you?
मैंने बहुत भूख लगी. वही है.
क्या है? मेरे को समझ नहीं
It's a song about Vada Pav and Mumbai, and it's just I wrote it as a tribute to the city.
Oh.
And the city didn't hear him.
Yeah, it has less than 1,000 streams on Spotify in
It's
one
okay.
year.
It'll have 1,001.
listen to what you just said?
Shut up, beta.
We'll give you a shout out
What
on
an
the
integration
sarcastic
of
show.
everything in one podcast. I mean,
But it's
Nice.
it's a good song. There's some very creative lyrics. शहर के सड़क पे पेट में दर्द है 4 घंटे लंच से प्यासा नहीं है मैं पानी में बेटर बींग्स ने पिए बस खाना चाहिए
Yeah.
गरम और जल्दी से एक छोटी और प्यारे भारत के बेस्ट शहर यानी मुंबई शहर में एक पीली प्यारी गोली सोने से अहम मुंबई की शक्ति आम आदमी के जन्म इतना सस्ता धन्यवाद किसानों I forgot the next lyric. आलू हरी मिर्च अदरक लहसुन दाल हल्दी और कड़ी पत्ता बेसन बैटर के गरम तेल से निकाल चटनी के साथ नरम पाव में दाल खुशबू.
So Ansh Dhote, Instagram influencer.
Influencer.
How have you been?
Amazing. Not after this though.
Definitely not after this though.
I think none of us was expecting.
We love you.
Why don't I love you too? Why don't you release a song?
No, my
He
thing.
just heard whatever
See,
you
one
just...
thing the
मेरा म्यूजिक से दिल्ली उड़ गया ऐसा गाना सुन के. गाना ही नहीं सुनता अभी.
Oh.
मस्ती
नहीं
गाना.
होता है ना कभी-कभी like you listen to a song which is really nice and you feel like I can never compete to that. I think that's what's happening.
I get that, and I think the music industry has completely changed.
Yeah,
It's like many industries.
You need to step in actually.
Social media is a big part, and as someone who already has a following, he could release a song,
Yeah.
and even if it isn't that good, it'll still do okay to well because he has a platform.
Yeah.
And many artists who are so talented don't get the attention they deserve because
Right.
social media is everything, and their first job is to make, produce, and write music. But then they also have to think about making viral reel with 3-second hook. Here's how I produced this song with a retro Bollywood beat. Essay types.
इसका तो मैं nice यार. I
Yeah.
mean, there are a lot of artists. I've recently met one. You know, songs don't reach to an audience as much as
You
they
want to
should.
say their name?
Yeah,
Ved
Ved
Madison.
Madison. Recently heard one Vada Pav song. It was nice. I mean, what lyrics, man.
Thank you.
All the
lovely
Indian
lyrics.
food.
Did you
Wasn't
chat
the song
GPT
named
the
after
lyrics?
Bengal when you like Bengal?
These are just jokes about it. Don't feel.
Oh no,
bad
don't,
about
I
it.
don't.
I'm
please no,
legit just kidding.
Do I look
Okay.
like I take offense?
He does. He'll text me later.
कहाँ ले गया यार मुझको अंश दिमाग खराब कर दिया बोनो ने.
No, I was in. Actually, I don't like Vada Pav that much anymore. But
Why?
I don't know. I guess I haven't had a good one.
Was there an enthusiastic friend? Like एक तो होगा ही जिसने बोला होगा, bro, you need to try Vada Pav in Mumbai.
No, I mean, Vada Pav is the food of like the working man in Mumbai. So when I used to live in Versova and work in Bandra, if I took the bus, I'd go home directly. But if I would ever take the train, I'd have one on the station ka platform. Maybe I'd have a jumbo king at Versova Metro.
Oh,
Have the gentrified bougie. Now they've jumbo kings were very bad.
you are an Indian only, bhai. You should get an
I
Aadhaar
am,
card very
That's
soon.
why I have
He has an
followers.
Aadhaar card.
You have an Aadhaar card.
I have another. It's in my pocket.
I really want to see. I mean, we cannot show it on the camera,
If
but
I can cover the number.
yeah. Damn, man.
I love Orbit.
अरे check his pocket. You'll find कंठिल also. कंठिल निकाल.
No, आज नहीं.
Oh shit.
What's content?
कंठिल.
Vishal Kantil is
वो
an
cough के
Ayurvedic
लिए रहता है
mouth
ना?
freshener.
हाँ हाँ.
नहीं खांसी के लिए रहता है ना
Bhai,
कंठिल.
you are more Indian than us, yaar.
Don't say that. I'm only half Indian technically.
You look like you are half Indian, but you are more Indian than us, to be really honest. Fuck.
Oh fuck the
You actually, let's go.
I
This is my
actually
Aadhaar
cannot
card.
see the picture, but I'm assuming it's bad
This is my old
because it's an
address.
Aadhaar card.
In Goa.
Oh,
But the thing, it's a big meme, of course, for all us foreign creators. Is usko Aadhaar da, usko Aadhaar de, usko Aadhaar de. But the truth is, having an Aadhaar doesn't mean you're Indian. Even having a PAN card.
yeah.
These are just for residents of India. Anyone who lives in India for at least a year can get an Aadhaar card. So all the things I have here don't mean I'm Indian. The only thing I have that means I'm Indian is an OCI card, Overseas Citizen of India. That means you have an Indian connection from shadi, blood, family, all that.
मैं इंडिया में पैदा हुआ तो मुझे ये सब नहीं पता है.
Well, yeah, if you have any more
Actually.
admin... So the stations between Andheri and Church Gate. It's Andheri, Phileparle, Santa Cruz, Khar, Bandra.
Were you like ever kidnapped or were you threatened like bata mere ko India ke bare mein or something?
I knew it better back in the day, but
Yeah, he just forgotten stations अभी.
I'm sorry. Lower Parel, Prabhadevi, Mahalakshmi.
हाँ किधर गए सब?
I know them, but I just know
Veganism hurts your mind, yeah.
I'm non-vegetarian. Do your parents know?
Do you parents know about it? Let's maybe talk about that, Rishabh.
नहीं. What's your favorite food? Ansh?
Yeah, wait, you never answered.
I mean, I don't want to
Yeah.
ask like a proper what's your favorite food because obviously
What are
एक
some
किसी
foods
का
you like?
yeah type of food you like.
Depends where I am. If I'm at home, I love eating. अभी तो मैं diet पे तो I eat a lot of chicken. The C word. Can't use the word no in your house.
No, it's fine.
No,
You can't-
you can say you just
You
can't
can
eat
say.
your.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I eat a lot of chicken, but घर पे if I'm like I want to have ऐसा कुछ मस्त घर का खाना types, तो I prefer having आलू की सब्जी, the boiled one, with amti. Amti is a very Maharashtrian dal. Like it's
Aloo and dal.
Yeah.
प्रॉपर स्पाइसी तड़के वाली दाल ना.
हाँ, it's red in
Auntie makes
color.
good
हाँ,
food,
red
yeah.
in
Auntie
color.
makes good food.
Hmm.
I find dal very boring. Sorry,
नहीं, दाल चावल is like the soul food.
Yeah, it is.
Genuinely.
really boring. I'm sorry. That's why
What do
I
you like
was,
then?
मेरे पास lots of internalized racism. I didn't eat Indian food until I was 17. I
Oh.
was anti-rice. चावल नहीं खाया बचपन में. Mummy spoiled us pasta, burger, pizza, roast,
इसके लिए ऐसा है.
Indo-Chinese food.
And now you've shifted.
Now I eat all food, but still I wouldn't prefer dal. I'd much prefer like bhindi and roti, bengan bharta. I'd prefer sabzi and roti over dal and rice.
Nice.
अरे, but you can have dal with sabji roti also.
Dal is just like why? Dal makhni. bleh.
I'll never
Dal
get
makhani
this.
Dal
nice.
tadka is I like
Dal-
spice, so maybe dal tadka is nice, but just dal is boring.
अरे वो जो होटल्स एंड ढाबे में लाते हैं ना, that छोटी सी बाल्टी में दाल जो लाते हैं,
I
that's
always
the
when
peak.
it's choices I stay away from that and focus on the protein part or the nice sabzi with the roti. I try to stay away from dal. Sorry,
The
dal
C
lovers.
चलो एक रील मिल गई.
अरे यार,
नहीं यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
रील तो हमको बहुत मिल गई, बस हमने मेंशन नहीं किया बीच बीच में. पता
So
चला.
did you guys like तुम्हारे साथ हुआ है कभी ऐसा that you posted something and you felt like कि नहीं बेकार है, डिलीट कर देता हूँ.
Yeah, when I made a video with him.
Actually, that's true. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
that
made a
is
funny
true.
joke, but your
Yeah,
mummy got
that's true.
offended, or you got
Mummy?
offended.
Nobody
Mummy got offended.
Nahi dote.
No,
The one we made at the cinema.
I just didn't like it.
You
What
said
was the reel
So you
about?
lied to me saying your mummy
Yeah,
didn't like
because
it.
you were right there. You're telling me make a video with you. I'll make a video with you.
We made a video. My friend Shenron gave the idea. I forgot it now. Hey, what's your name? Anj Dote. And then I sniff piche se and I say Nahi Dote.
I think I know.
I'm glad.
It was doing
Hell,
well.
I am
It wasn't
glad.
doing well.
Yeah, but no, I've deleted many videos that don't do well. It's the name of the game.
How many videos ऐसा you have deleted?
Let's say 80.
Do you edit your own Instagram reels? Like
I do everything myself.
everything yourself?
Yeah, yeah.
I want to know who edit your videos, man. Every single time I see that tabla.
Tabla?
Why,
A
yaar?
very great editor, you know. By the way,
I
Ansh
think
Dhote's
you
editor.
should
all
get a new editor.
You all should reach out to Ansh Dhote's editor. I think it's really nice.
Is he sitting over there?
Yeah, he's sitting
The
there.
way we both are being sarcastic.
Name of the
I like
show. Brought to
Yay!
you by Better Beings.
Yes.
No, but if I have the budget, it's Manav. If I don't have the budget, it's Sai.
What the fuck, man?
मस्ती कर रहा हूँ.
मैं अच्छे बजट में करके देता हूँ काम. That is
हाँ,
what he
अच्छा
means.
करता है, अच्छा करता है काम.
Demotion की तरह मत लेना इस चीज को.
Who came 1 minute early today?
You did.
I came at 1:29
He was
PM.
dot 1:30 के पहले.
Yeah.
10 minutes early.
Because I respect.
Did you respect or did you just have time?
I thought I'd be late. I mean, the driver drove fast, I guess.
Nice.
Sorry, I did take
Yeah, your
time.
ETA was 134, no?
Yeah.
I mean, because of all of this ruckus now, obviously, yaar, it's very tiring to travel उत्ते दूर से यहाँ तक. You can
Oh,
always
that's
have a
not
cup
like-
of electrolytes to.
Yeah, whenever you feel, if you're in Mumbai and you are dehydrated, you feel बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, always go get the Better Beings. It's the best. आपको hydrated
बस
रखेगा
करो
ये.
सो जाएंगे.
You guys enjoy concerts?
Yeah. I don't like clubbing. I like concerts.
Concerts more.
Yeah, best has been Rolling Loud. That one we had to take a car.
Oh,
On the way back, we took metro and then the train and all that. But car Mahalakshmi is perfect. There's everything there.
They just should make another entrance. I would
Exactly,
say.
because you have to enter from the exit from the west side near the coastal road and you have to
Ah.
go all the way
Yeah,
around.
it's pretty stupid.
And I have so many fans.
I
that it
was
took
just gonna
40
ask you
minutes.
that.
It took 45 minutes to get from there to because everyone is stopping me for pictures, and I never want to say no. So tough.
Bhai, people
so
might
this is-
come up to you
yeah.
and be like, "Ki, can you pass this mic to someone, please?"
Yeah,
you know,
there's
it's
these
very.
two guys at a
like,
Red Bull event.
oh,
They're
no,
damn short.
ऐसे
Also.
लोग आते हैं ना. तो-
Link that reel in the reel.
Yeah.
You know how you in
I'm
in
not
the
posting
edits
that
app,
only, I just
in
recorded
the
it.
edits app, you can link a reel, make it that, and then you tap it, and people can
by
see
the way,
that reel.
when you said, you know, there's two guys coming to me, it was his idea. It wasn't mine.
That's okay.
मैं नहीं बनाने वाला था वो
I am
सब
here
चीजें.
today
इसने मुझे
because
बोला
of
हमारा.
that.
सड्डी गली में तो नहीं था वो.
हाँ, साड़ी गली में भी तो मेरे को सबने आइडिया था. It was साड़ी गली में भी I wasn't doing. First day पे I wasn't doing anything.
Then what happened in सड्डी गली?
Second day, people motivated me to create.
You didn't go Sadi Gali is bar?
No,
Did
I
you
didn't.
hear what happened at Saddi Gali?
What happened?
What
in
happened?
Sadi
I
Gali?
didn't watch the clip after that. I was just looking at your reels.
What the fuck, man?
So, continue.
Now you mentioned that, you know, it took you 45 minutes and all of that. ऐसे जाते आते, do you meet like a lot of fans and do you sometimes feel like it's a trouble कि उसके वजह से late हुआ है कभी?
I like the attention. मतलब चलता है.
Me too. It's
chill.
fun. Like
It's part of work also.
Exactly. Very shallowly, I wanted to be an actor, not for the love of the craft. I mean, I was 17. I wanted to do it to be famous. It's never overwhelming. Only at Comic Con, it's funny because that's where all the online people are.
हाँ.
कोई awkward
Everyone's on the
moment हुआ है?
internet, so awkward moment?
Awkward moments with fans.
Not one guy was interesting at Comic Con a year ago. He was just screaming at me when we were 1 meter apart. It's you! Oh my god! I was like, yeah, man. Oh my god! I was like, yeah.
The voice had to reach up there. इसलिए और क्या?
Good one.
Good one, bhai. Good one.
Thanks,
Good one.
thanks.
What's your name? Joking.
I'm Rishabh.
I know, Rishabh and Sahil. It was a
Yes.
joke.
I think this happens to Ansh a lot. Like
What-
Yeah,
बहुत
I've
सारे
seen a lot,
fans just
हाँ.
ऐसा circle up करके photos and all.
When you
कि
go
हम
to the
लोग
mandir.
last
Mandir
Yeah.
time. That's when your community.
It's really nice to see her. Like whenever we're recording videos, also a lot of times I've seen a lot of people just coming. Yansh Dudi.
It's very sweet how happy people
Yeah.
get. We just want to make them laugh and make money. And it's
True.
it's
Part
it's,
of work.
it's fun.
A lot of people say that you're really smart when it comes to brand integrations, and you know,
Acha,
yeah,
who are
I've heard
these
this.
people?
I've recently started hearing this that you've met Ansh. Ansh is really smart when it comes to brand deals.
Hey.
Wow.
Are
Who's saying this?
Am I?
You want to give any names?
I don't remember the names, but genuinely,
That's a good
सच
compliment.
बताने
to
की
get.
ऐसे ही बताने की
genuinely
अच्छा,
बोल रहा हूँ. Like genuinely people have said, told me that Ansh is really smart when it comes to content creation.
Oh,
Do you
Yes,
feel it's a
yes.
thing or is it random?
it's random यार.
तो बस दिमाग में आ जाता है and you just
हाँ.
make it. I think that's how content creation should be. भाई लोग जब बहुत ज़्यादा
I don't even script, only like branded things I need to
Yeah,
script.
because we have
Yeah.
हाँ.
Sometimes
Yeah.
only I don't
for
think
approval
Because-
from the client.
Yeah.
we also have a game ready for us. Would you like to play?
Yes. Can we say no?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to.
Sure. What have you got planned?
Before we start the game, I want to know some like funny stories of you guys. ऐसा कुछ भी.
I shat my pants on Carter Road when I was 17.
But how? Like, what happened?
I guess I was living in Varsova with my godmother and working in Carter Road. And yeah, I could go auto, metro, train, auto, or there was a direct bus between the two places. It's 15 rupees. And the nice conductor, Bapurao Nalaude, he gave me his address also.
You
Pune
remember
mein.
the name?
हाँ,
You've written a
सब
book
लिखा
या
मैं
something, क्या फिर?
Bapurao
Uber Eats.
Nalaude. I have his house marked on Google Maps. And one day, you know, buses are very, or back then at least, they were very irregular. Itna dependable nahi tha. There was no Chalo app to live track the bus.
Yeah, he knows about Chalo app and all. Bhai.
Of course
I
I
think
know.
Anshbhai is just happy that he owns a car at this point.
You have to wait in traffic. Sort of,
Bus also has to wait in
train.
traffic.
I'm a train guy. Bus I don't do
I
so
mean,
much.
of course he owns a car. Yeah, he's a big influencer. How much do you earn in a year?
In India, people are not so transparent with money. But I can share. In my first year as a creator, when I had my biggest growth from 2K to 2,20,000 sub followers.
एक मिनट मुझे नोट करना है. हाँ, बोलिए.
वो tax year में, from content, I made 78,000 rupees, 78,400 rupees
In 1 year.
in 1 year. And then, so first that job I was doing when I used to take the bus and shat my pants, that was 5K a month stipend because it's an internship. I had no expenses.
What was the internship about?
The film casting. Remember at the start I said?
Yeah.
You guys were paying attention?
Not at all. I mean, yeah. Who pays attention to all of this?
Ale.
I'm just.
So,
Do you remember now in the start I asked you that sometimes did you feel like saying Nikas?
so wait, what story? Do you want to hear how much money I made or do you want to hear how I shat my pants? What would you like to hear?
Everything.
Like,
didn't
should I
conti-
combine
you didn't
them?
continue story, no?
No, you were in the middle talking about is it recording?
Shat your pants अब ऐसे भी cut होएगा ना?
What's the
Reel
story
बना.
that you
That
have?
shat-
if you want to-
अरे but let him continue. Next year what happened?
Arey, that's
After
the
2
story.
lakh-
That's the story that,
that
he
shat story is on an Amazon Prime brand deal. It's there. I've
Oh.
monetized the shit story.
Oh.
Yeah.
monetizing
how
shit.
much did you charge for that?
It was the barter trip to London where I met John Cena, Priyanka
right,
Chopra. I got Meta glasses. They gave daru, which I gave to my uncle because I don't drink alcohol and stuff like that.
I think Ansh is also noting that down.
People do a lot of shit, for monetizing their content.
Yeah, so I was at Rizvi Mahavidyalaya bus stop, bus adda. And the bus was not coming because we don't have the Chalo app. Yeah, that's how it stopped because we got excited because I know Chalo. Chalo has an office in Porvorim in Goa. When you go on the highway towards Panjim, you always see it just near the Atal Setu entrance. So,
इसके बाद what happened?
Chat GPT खोला हुआ है ना मैंने
So
अभी.
Bus Chappan is a very historical route, especially for the Kohli fisherwomen, because it goes through
अरे
the whole
खत्म हो
coastal
गया
area.
bro, खत्म
Bro,
हो
what
All the
made
way
you
down to
shat in
Worli.
your pants?
It goes all the way down to Worli, and unfortunately, Best has made a Bus Chappan an AC route. So now the fisherwomen who are carrying fish or like things that don't smell the best, now the bus is closed, so they're sort of deterred from using it. So a bus route that was historically for the Kohli fisherwomen of Mumbai is now been not gentrified, but it's very sad to see. But anyway, back to my story.
Yeah. Thank
I
you.
was at the
Thank
bus
God.
stop. The bus had not come for a while. Monsoon time था.
बस स्टॉप पे ही है
अभी भी बस इतने दिन में तो मेरी बस भी आ जाती ठीक है
तो बस नहीं आया.
2,20,000 के बाद की बात
अरे
कर
वो
रहे हैं।
दूसरा 2,20,000 कहाँ से है?
तू बोला ना 2,000 to 2,20,000 followers तभी you earned 78,000 उसके बाद क्या हुआ
bless you
Am I telling the shit story or am I telling the money story?
you are telling a shit story
The
to
shit,
be
I am telling a shit story. I'm doing a pretty shit job at telling a story.
Yeah.
Anyway, I was at the bus stop. I had eaten pani puri, and even though you say I'm very Indian, kabhi my stomach is not so Indian.
yeah
I had eaten pani puri before. I think monsoon had just finished, so maybe some rainwater went in the pani of the pani puri. So, tum tum.
yeah and then I guess you were at the bus stop then
Patli tatti. So I thought it was a fart, as you know, जब कभी पाद लगता है, कभी टट्टी आती है. That happened, and then it happened in my pants. I was like, oh. So I went to the mangroves just off of Carter Road. I climbed over the wall, threw my chaddi in there. I hope that's one time I've littered. I hope abhi tak biodegrade hoga. It's been 7 years. If someone can find my jockey chaddi in the Carter, it's near the skate park. Yeah, no, near the dog park, Cairo. So I threw my chaddi there, pulled my shorts up, and then I wiped my ass with leaves. And then I also took some mitti and rubbed on my pants to make it look like I fell and mud gir gaya. And then I met this nice guy, Satish Bhal Singh. And he's like, are you okay? I said, haan, bas gir gaya. I was like fake limping and all. Luckily, I didn't smell. And he paid for an auto for both of us to go back to Warsaw.
Oh.
So thank you so much, Satish Bhal Singh, if you're watching this. I haven't talked to you in 7 years.
And it was not mud, by the way.
हमें बहुत भूख लगी हो हाँ जी भारत के बे शहर यानी मुंबई शहर में इतनी प्यारी गोली सोने से अहम मुंबई के शक्तियाँ मामले के जनाम खाओ रखने अंजनाम जैसे समसारा इतना सस्ता धन्यवाद किसानों आलू हरी मिर्च अदरक लहसुन दालों हल्दी और कड़ी पत्ता बेसन बैटर दगी गरम तेल से निकाल चटनी के साथ नरम पाव में दाल खुशबू वड़ा पाव के वजह से मैं खुश हूँ